The United States has just unleashed an invisible, unpiloted, threat-terminating machine to destroy China in case of a conflict, which is getting dangerously likely. This machine is the X-47 drone, designed to be as stealthy as the B-2 Spirit and lethal as the F-22 Raptor. This drone will take off from the deck of the largest, most sophisticated aircraft carrier in history, the $13 billion USS Gerald Ford, to deliver damaging blows. Despite how incredible the X-47 is, however, the U.S. Navy and overall military initially threw it in the trash. From this ground zero, the X-47 launched a powerful comeback fit for a movie. It's a story of rising to the very top from the depth of shadowy origins. There is the X-47A and the X-47B. The latter one, a survivor of the forum. The X-47A was developed under a joint program of the U.S. Air Force and Navy to develop a network system of high-performance unmanned air vehicles for 21st century combat missions. The program, launched in 2001, was called the Joint Unmanned Combat Air Systems Program, JUCAS for short. It was funded by the U.S. Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, DARPA, with Northrop Grumman as the main contractor. The X-47A had its first flight in February 2003, a major milestone. However, 3 years later, in February 2006, the X-47's JUCAS program was terminated following the 2006 Quadrennial Defense Review. At that point, the Navy was already hooked on the concept of battle-defining unmanned jets. The Air Force opted for a new next-generation bomber, while the Navy maintained its faith in a fighter drone and revived the JUCAS program in a solo new program called the Unmanned Combat Air System Demonstrator Program, UCAS-D. The Navy's Naval Air Systems Command contracted Northrop Grumman for the construction and demonstration of two X-47B aircraft under this program in 2007. The quest for potential future carrier-compatible unmanned vehicles with battle-defining capabilities carried on. Northrop Grumman collaborated on the UCAS-D program with defense behemoths such as Lockheed Martin, General Electric, Rockwell Collins, Goodrich, Parker Aerospace, Honeywell, GKN Aerospace, Wind River, Hamilton Sundstrand, Pratt & Whitney, Eaton, Moog, and Dell. The result was a smart, invisible, lethal, and powerful machine. The X-47B, smart, relating to the aircraft's heavily autonomous operations, while leaving fair room of control for human operators. The X-47B's flight path is therefore pre-programmed and its operations are monitored by a mission operator. Invisible, relating to the aircraft's stealth capabilities that make it virtually invisible to radar, that make it much more difficult to spot by adversary systems. Lethal, relating to the aircraft's deep arsenal, up to 4,500 pounds of weapons. Lethal also relates to the aircraft's ability to spot places of interest swiftly. For adversaries that find themselves within range of the X-47B's avionics, there's no place to hide. And once spotted, it's likely goodbye. The avionics suit includes electro-optics, infrared, synthetic aperture radar, inverse synthetic aperture radar, ground moving target indicator, electronic support measures, and maritime moving target indicator sensors. Powerful, relating to the aircraft's propulsion system. A Pratt & Whitney F-100 PW220U engine that thrusts the aircraft to speeds just shy of half the speed of sound, to altitudes up to 40,000 feet and across a range of 2,400 miles. The X-47B features both probe and drogues of the U.S. Navy, and since the Air Force apparently still had some interest in lethal unmanned vehicles, boom receptacle mechanisms of the U.S. Air Force. Both of these features aimed at aerial refueling. In fact, the X-47B is the first unmanned aerial vehicle to perform aerial refueling successfully, which it did in April 2015. This feat sets the X-47B from other UAVs. enabling it to perform long-duration missions without returning to base. The complex process was mastered by the aircraft's autonomous aerial refueling system, which employs advanced GPS and vision technologies. Aerial refueling not only extends the X-47B's range, but also enhances its operational versatility, making it the perfect tool for both military and civil applications. This advancement paves the way for long-range reconnaissance missions, disaster surveillance, and cargo deliveries over vast distances. It also provides military strategies with more flexible and efficient options in combat situations. The X-47B is the ultimate unmanned machine. Under the UCAS-D program, 2 X-47Bs were built. The first X-47B, named AV-1, was completed by October 2009, including its structural proof testing. It was transferred to the Edwards Air Force Base for flight testing in 2010. The second AV-2 arrived at the same base for testing in March 2011, and it's been testing ever since. The first X-47B flight test took place in February 2011. The first X-47B catapult launch was conducted at an onshore catapult facility at Naval Air Station, Patuxent River in November 2012. The first at-sea test phase, involving a series of deck handling trials on board the USS Harry S. Truman, was completed in December 2012. The X-47B was also tested for launching, operating, and recovering capabilities in a Navy carrier operable area spanning 57.5 miles. Test after test, the X-47B dropped jaws, rolled heads, and established itself as one of the most advanced unmanned aerial vehicles on the planet. The impressiveness, while present in virtually every department worthy of note, is best seen in the aircraft's main capabilities. The X-47B is the UAV other UAVs look to be. It combines the best of the bomber and fighter worlds to be a truly valuable asset to the U.S. Navy. It earned this status by wielding two crucial abilities in particular, that is, by being stealthy as a B-2 Spirit. The X-47B draws parallels and inspiration from the iconic B-2 Spirit stealth bomber. While the X-47B is a smaller carrier-based platform designed for autonomous operations, its stealth capabilities share conceptual similarities with the B-2, particularly in radar evasion, aerodynamic design, and materials engineering. The B-2 Spirit, introduced in the late 1980s, is renowned for its low observable technology, which minimizes its radar cross-section to evade enemy detection. Its distinctive flying wing design eliminates sharp edges and vertical surfaces, reducing radar reflections. Similarly, the X-47B adopts a tailless, blending wing body configuration, resembling a smaller, more compact version of the B-2. The shape inherently scatters radar waves, making it difficult for enemy systems to lock onto the aircraft. By bidding farewell to traditional tail fins and protrusions, the X-47B mirrors the B-2's philosophy of prioritizing smooth, continuous surfaces to enhance stealth. Radar absorbent materials are another cornerstone of the B-2's stealth profile, coating its airframe to absorb unscattered electromagnetic energy rather than reflect it. While specific details about the X-47B's materials remain classified, it is widely understood that it employs advanced composites and radar-absorbent materials akin to those used in the B-2. These materials dampen the aircraft's visibility to radar, infrared, and other detection methods. The X-47B's smaller size, 38 feet in length compared to the B-2's 69-foot span, further reduces its radar cross-section, potentially making it even harder to detect than the B-2 in certain scenarios. The X-47B's engine design also echoes the B-2's stealth-oriented propulsion. The B-2 uses 4 General Electric F-118 engines buried deep within its structure, with exhaust positioned on the upper surface to minimize heat signatures detectable by infrared sensors. The X-47B, powered by a single Pratt & Whitney F-100 engine, incorporates a serpentine inlet and exhaust system that shields the engine's hot components from ground-based sensors. This configuration of the X-47B reflects the same principle of concealing thermal emissions, a critical aspect of evading modern air defenses. The B-2 has long been valued for its ability to deliver precision strikes against high-value targets undetected. And the XB-47 extends this concept into the unmanned domain, offering a stealth platform that can operate from naval carriers, a testament to how stealth technology continues to adapt, blending B-2-like features with cutting-edge autonomy to redefine aerial combat. Yet, that's not all. In addition to being stealthy as a B-2 Spirit, the X-47B is also lethal as an F-22 Raptor. The F-22 Raptor is a fifth-generation stealth fighter designed for air superiority. It is widely regarded as the most lethal fighter jet ever. The X-47 looks to be the most lethal drone of history so far, and it plans to achieve this via a blend of stealth, autonomy, and precision strike capabilities. Like the F-22, which uses advanced stealth coatings and angular geometry to evade enemy radar, the X-47B's low observable profile enables it to operate in environments where traditional aircraft might be vulnerable. The stealth capability is critical for delivering lethal strikes against high-value targets, such as enemy air defenses or command centers, without exposing itself to retaliation. The X-47B's autonomy further enhances its lethal potential, making it perhaps even more lethal than the F-22 Raptor in certain situations. As the X-47B demonstrated in 2015 during its historical aerial refueling, it is able to independently navigate complex operational scenarios. This autonomy could theoretically allow it to undertake high-risk missions, such as suppression of enemy air defenses, where an F-22's pilot might face significant danger. By removing the human element, the X-47B could sustain operations in contested zones longer and with greater precision, amplifying its lethality. In terms of armament, the X-47B was designed with a payload capacity of approximately 4,500 pounds, carried in internal weapons bays to preserve its stealth profile. This mirrors the F-22's internal weapons carriage approach to the letter. While the X-47B was not operationally armed during its testing phase, its payload capacity suggests it could deploy precision-guided munitions such as small-diameter bombs or anti-ship missiles with devastating effect. This capability aligns it with the F-22's multi-role versatility, enabling both air-to-ground strikes and potentially air-to-air engagements if equipped with appropriate weaponry. The X-47B's endurance also contributes to its lethal potential, with a range exceeding 2,760 miles and the ability to refuel autonomously. It surpasses the F-22's unrefueled range of approximately 1,840 miles. This extended reach allows the X-47B to loiter over target areas, conduct persistent surveillance, and strike when opportunities arise. Capabilities that enhance its strategic impact greatly, almost like a mini F-22 was in the picture. While the X-47B lacks the F-22's agility and air-to-air combat focus, its combination of stealth, autonomy, and strike capacity makes it a lethal asset nonetheless, as it represents a future where unmanned systems could rival or augment the capabilities of advanced fighters like the F-22, reshaping the landscape of aerial warfare forever. Unmanned aerial systems are here to stay, with the X-47B leading the charge. After surviving corporate cancellation in the X-47A, this unmanned vehicle resurrected with new, history-making capabilities that absorb the capabilities of iconic aircraft like the B-2 Spirit and F-22 Raptor to make a truly lethal machine that will launch from aircraft carrier decks to dominate the skies of tomorrow. To achieve this, however, the X-47B needs you to give this video a like and subscribe to this channel. So do that now, and thanks for watching.